Let's see how to determine the Laplace transform of sine hyperbolic bt. So I write Laplace transform of sine hyperbolic bt. I'm going to use the definition of sine hyperbolic bt, which is given as e power bt minus e power negative bt over 2. So I replace this sine hyperbolic bt as e power bt minus e power negative bt over 2. Now we can factor this 1 by 2. So this is written as 1 by 2 Laplace transform of e power bt minus e power minus bt. Now we use the properties of Laplace transforms. That is, when we have to find the sum or difference of two terms, Laplace transform of two terms, we write down as the Laplace transform of the sum of terms. So we can write down this as 1 by 2 Laplace transform of e power bt, and then we multiply this minus 1 by 2 Laplace transform of e power negative bt. Just going to rewrite this in a different way. Instead of multiplying by 1 by 2, we'll just keep this 1 by 2 as a factor. So it becomes like this. Now I put a square bracket like this. So basically, we have to determine the Laplace transform of e power bt and then Laplace transform of e power negative bt. So I can write down this as 1 by 2. The Laplace transform of e power at is 1 over s minus a. So when we apply this Laplace transform rule, we can write down this Laplace transform of e power bt. This equals, we have this bracket 1 over s minus b. And similarly, when we apply the Laplace transform formula to find the Laplace transform of e power negative bt, we get 1 over s minus of minus b, which is s plus b. So we will have to simplify this. So this equals 1 by 2 times of the common denominator is the product of these two denominators. So we will have the common denominator, that is s minus b times of s plus b, which means in the first fraction we have to multiply by that is s minus b. We have to multiply by s plus b so that we will get the common denominator. And similarly, for the second fraction, we have to multiply by s minus b, like this, multiply and divide. So we now see that this can be further simplified. So this equals 1 by 2 times of 1 times of s plus b is s plus b, and s minus b times of s plus b. I'm going to write this over here. So this is s minus b times of s plus b minus 1 times of s minus b. This is s minus b over s plus b times of s minus b. So now we have the common denominator s minus b times of s plus b, which means we can add or subtract the numerators. So it is s plus b minus of s minus b, which is minus s, and negative of negative b is positive b. And then we have the common denominator, that is s minus b times s plus b. So when you use this difference of squares, we can rewrite this as s squared minus of b squared. So basically, this is the difference of square. That is a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times of a plus b. So if you replace a by s, this will become s minus b, and this will become s plus b. So here also we have to replace a by s. So therefore it becomes s squared minus of b squared. So I have written it as like this. Now I cancel this plus s and minus s. B plus b is 2b. So therefore we have 1 by 2 times of 2b over s squared minus b squared. We now cancel this 2 s plus this 2, and so we get b over s squared minus of b squared. So this is the Laplace transform of sine hyperbolic. bt. And this means answer choice 5 is correct.